Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter in an Acura MDX. First, locate your glove box on the passenger side. It's important to empty everything out of it so you have plenty of room to work. Make sure you have your new cabin air filter ready, ensuring it's the correct one for your specific Acura MDX model. Next, you'll need to open the glove box fully. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm. Carefully detach it. Then, gently press the sides of the glove box inward to release the stops. This allows the glove box to swing down completely, exposing the air filter housing behind it. Now, let's get to the filter itself. You'll see a cover over the filter housing, usually held by two clips. Unclip these, then carefully pull the old filter straight out. Pay attention to the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. When inserting the new one, ensure its arrow points in the same direction, typically downwards. To finish up, simply reverse the steps. First, snap the filter housing cover back into place, making sure both clips are secure. Then, push the glove box stops back inward so it can close properly. Finally, reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.